Arizona's Attorney General pleading, "Don't sue us." That is the response tonight from two threats from the U.S. Justice Department, which is now considering a lawsuit against the state over SB 1070. Thanks for choosing us. I'm Rebecca Thomas. Right now, ABC 15's Steve Couge is live at the state capitol with more on our Attorney General's reaction.
You know, Rebecca, it's actually very rare for the federal government to ever challenge a state on its own laws. But Arizona State Attorney General Terry Goddard says this lawsuit threat is very real. But he also mentions that he will do everything in his power to fight it if it does happen to go through.
While Senate Bill 1070 is far from perfect, it is a response to a very serious problem. I told the lawyers it would be just plain wrong for the federal government to sue to stop Arizona from dealing with something that the federal government itself has ignored for so many years.
That's Arizona's State Attorney General Terry Goddard firing back against the Obama administration's threat to sue Arizona over its controversial immigration bill. Goddard met with top officials from the U.S. Justice Department Friday, where he says he defended his state's right to govern itself in the way it chooses.
I told him there were already 5 lawsuits that have been filed about 1070, and that every possible argument is being briefed. I told them we need solutions from Washington, not more lawsuits.
For weeks now, the Obama administration has blasted and criticized Arizona's new immigration law, saying that it's unfair and would amount to racial profiling. If the U.S. Department of Justice does take the state to court, lawyers believe the government will cite preemption as their main cause for the suit. Preemption in this case means that Arizona's state law is illegally intruding on the federal government's overall responsibility on immigration enforcement.
Arizona has an opportunity to make this work. And what I was urging from the Justice Department is that we follow through with that opportunity.
Now, as for how close the federal government might be to making some kind of legal decision on all of this, Attorney General Goddard tells me he only wished he knew. Basically saying that it will likely be sometime before immigration bill SB 1070 goes into effect sometime in late July. Live at the state capitol, I'm Steve Couge, ABC 15 News.